Hey guys, it's BeautyBree14 and I'm back with another video. I'm back with another daily goodie box unboxing / taste testing video, and this time I'm going to be eating out of 2 boxes and sharing with you guys 2 boxes. I don't know why I said that twice, but no further ado, give me some slack. So no further ado, the daily goodie box is just basically a snacks and a whole bunch of random items, household items, snacks, skincare items, a whole bunch of different things that you guys can try, and they will give you this monthly. So let's take a peek of what's inside. So the first thing that you will see when you open the box is basically just a little letter here with some gift wrap, and the little letter says daily goodie box on there. You got a goodie box. Please enjoy all the free samples and full-size products including inside. Remember to log into your account and share your thoughts on everything included in this box. Thank you. So pretty much you try the items and you give your review, and I think this is just amazing because you get to try different things that you would normally never pick up when you're in the store. But no further ado, the first box that I got, I have a lot of stuff in and it's very heavy. So the first item that I see is Chipotle Mayonnaise, tomato. But no further ado, this is by the brand Kensington, and it just looks like this. The next thing that I got is Fire and Flavor All Natural Seafood Pub Lemon Pepper and Herb. This is just a spice that you can put on your food and your meats. It is good for seafood, salmon, chicken, and veggies if you want to season them. And it has 65 mg of sodium, protein is 0, and vitamin C is just 2%. So, come on, give me something that I can try right now, please. So the next thing that I got is Bubba's Fine Foods Savory and Crunchy Blazing Buffalo Banana Chips. So this is something that I can try because I do like banana chips, and these are apparently very hot and spicy, so let's try it. They don't really smell spicy, but they just look like this. They're very small. Very crunchy. They're good. They're not too spicy. I like them. They're kind of really oily though. They're like, ooh. Yeah, now I'm starting to taste the spice. But they are very oily, so they're very good, but they're kind of oily. So next thing that I got was NeuroGum. It is for energy, clarity, and focusing. And it says fuel your body and activate your mind. It just looks like this. I would try this, but I think I'm going to try this last just because it is gum. I got the MTJ Rich Mascara, and it just looks like this. The applicator is pretty nice. It's just one of those thin applicators where the bristles are pretty thin and small. But I do need a new mascara, so I'm definitely going to be using this. And it basically just says get 20% off with your $60 order with the code GOOD20 at Procosmet.com. So if you guys are interested in that, I'll leave that in the description box if you guys are interested in that code. But it is very nice, and I cannot wait to try it out. I got a Herb Guru Fruity Recovery. I cannot speak today. Herbal tea, and it just looks like this. And basically what this says, it says a 1,000-year-old secret herbals recipe reformulated with modern ingredients. And it just has herbs, fruits, and greens resulting in an expertly brewed herbal drink that promotes well-being. So I'm not really into herbal teas like that. Like, I like tea, but I like hot tea, and I like tea that's like mint or ginger, but I will give that a try. I got Minute Mixology Craft Cocktail Mixer in the flavor Margarita, Lime, and Agave. So this is just what you put in your alcoholic drinks. I'm unfortunately not 21 yet. I am 19 years old, so whoever wants this. And then I also got a bedtime ritual perfume, and this one's good for like sleeping, and it just looks like this. I'm gonna try it and smell it and see what it smells like. If I can open it. Ooh. Oh, it smells so fresh and good. I'm definitely gonna have to like put that on for going to sleep. This smells very fresh and good. I wish they gave me a bigger sample of this, but yeah. It says directions: at bedtime, remove stopper and carefully tip vial to release a drop onto the corner of your pillowcase, or put a drop onto a handkerchief or tissue and slip inside pillowcase. During times of stress, place a drop onto a tissue and breathe in the relaxing aroma. So in the second box, it pretty much says the same exact thing, same with the tissue paper and all of that, but let's see what's inside this one. So the first thing that I see is a coral white tea-free toothpaste, and it just looks like this. It basically says it is formulated with ionic calcium from above sea coral, no fluoride, glycine or sodium, and 15% xylitol. And it's pH balance. I got a pure Chimp super tea in the flavor mint matcha green tea, and it just has a little monkey on there, which is super cute. I got a smartphone card wallet, and this will actually come in handy because whenever you don't want to hold your purse or you just don't want to hold too many bags, you can just put your card onto here and it's gonna always be with you because you always have your phone. I got an Iron Energy drink, and it just looks like this, and it just has Mike Tyson on the back of it, so this kind of gives me chills because
am I gonna like turn into Mike Tyson or something if I drink this?
I don't know, like, I don't know. So I'll let you guys know about that one. I don't know if I'm gonna drink that, but ooh, almost fell. I got some vegan mayo. I got a sensitive baby foaming shampoo and body wash by the brand Susan Brown's Babies. It is tear-free, pH balanced, paraben-free, phthalate-free, and hypoallergenic. I got some ethical bean coffee and medium roast. I got a snack that won't bite back, some NightFood, which is basically just a midnight chocolate crunch bar. So I'm actually going to try this for you guys, because you guys know I always try chocolate bars. And this is what it looks like. It's not that bad actually. I'm not like obsessed with bars, but this one does taste the most similar to like a regular Hershey's chocolate bar. So it is good, but it has dark chocolate, and I'm not that a big fan of dark chocolate. And then of course, oh, let me try that gum that I wanted to try in front of you guys. This is what the gum looks like. Now this is supposed to give you energy and supposed to make your breath get minty. So let's see if it works. Ew, 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 ew. At first it tastes good, but then the flavor just changed instantly. Ooh, not really a big fan of it, to be honest. Like at first it tastes really minty and like normal, but then it just got into this weird flavor, so not a big fan of that, to be honest. But no further ado, that was all the items that I got in my daily GoodieBox boxes. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a like if you guys enjoyed, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.